Background reading. Your unique body characteristics, traits, such as hair color or blood type, are determined by the proteins your body produces. Proteins are the building block of life. In fact, about 45% of the human body is made of protein. These organic molecules perform a wide range of functions, including body repair, regulation, and protection. Proteins are created by bonding groups of amino acids that are coded for by the nucleotide base sequences A, T, G, and C in your DNA. DNA is trapped in the nucleus because it is too wide to escape through the small nuclear pores in the nuclear membrane. This is a big issue for the cell, since proteins are made outside in the nucleus in the cytoplasm. For this reason, a process called transcription occurs. DNA passes on its nucleotide base sequences, or code, to a single-stranded molecule called mRNA, messenger RNA. mRNA then carries the code out to the cytoplasm, to the ribosomes, the site where proteins are made. When the mRNA reaches the ribosome, the code in the mRNA nucleotides are read in groups of 3 bases or codons. It takes 3 bases to code for a single amino acid. Each codon signals another type of RNA, called tRNA, to carry a specific amino acid into the ribosome. As amino acids continue to bond to one another, it forms a polypeptide chain that eventually results in a protein. This process is known as translation. Background questions. What is the monomer for proteins? Monomer is a building block. Which organelle is responsible for synthesizing proteins? Synthesizing means making proteins. What happens during transcription? Where in the cell does transcription take place? Hint, where is the DNA located? What is the function of mRNA? What does the little m stand for? How many bases make up a codon? If you have 30 bases, how many amino acids would it code for? What are the base pair rules when going from DNA to mRNA? What happens during translation? Where in the cell does translation take place?